Hey guys, it's Susan. Today I want to show you how to wire wrap your hoop earrings with beautiful gemstones. I'm going to use Aquamarine, so let me get this strand out. Put this aside. Okay, let me cut my strand. Take out some of my gemstones. I've got my 28 gauge wire. I'm going to cut about 15 inches. I'm going to straighten it out. My ends together, I'm going to find the middle. I made a little crease right at the middle. Then I'm going to take my hoop and that's going to be my center starting point. I'm going to add on my aquamarine, bring it down to the center, and start wrapping. I have my center stone and I did 2 wraps on each side. Add another stone. Oops. I'm going to do 2 wraps and then add another stone. Two wraps. Push it together with my fingernail. And I'm going to keep going the same way. I'm going to start off with 2 wraps in the middle, and as I go up the side, I'm going to increase the wraps to 3 wraps to make sure the gemstones are stable on my hoops. I'm going to do 1 more on this side, so I'm going to have 6 stones on each side. Then I'm going to start up the other side, doing it the same way, picking up a gemstone, putting it on my wire, and wire wrapping it around. Okay, so once you have all 12 on, you can decide if you like it inside or if you like it going around the outside. You would just turn it. I like mine more on the outside, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my gemstones out before I secure the sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish wire wrapping around the side. I went around 5 times here, so let me do 5 times here. And you can use your fingernails to get the wraps a little closer. And then go ahead and cut. I'm going to get that little pokey end and push that in. Do the same on the other side. Let me open up my lever back, hang on my earring, and close it up. And there you have it. So pretty, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.